Hey guys, this is Sean with P-10 and today we're doing a quick field strip of the CZ P-10F Comp Ready. First thing we're going to do is drop the magazine by pressing the mag release button. I'm going to pull the slide to the rear, make sure that the chamber is empty and the gun is safe. Once that's accomplished, we point in a safe direction, press the trigger. The trigger pressed, we're going to pull back on the slide while simultaneously pulling down on the takedown pins. If you're familiar with a Glock, this gun takes down exactly the same way. From here we compress the spring, set it to the side, remove the barrel by pushing down from the top and pulling back, and now we've completed disassembly. To reassemble, we'll take the slide, reinsert the barrel, and pull it back with the lugs facing down. The spring, we're going to make sure that this end is sticking out through the front of the slide. Compress the spring until it rests on that shelf. Next, we're going to line up the grooves on the frame with the slots in the slide and pull them all the way back. Final test is trigger reset. I'm going to point in a safe direction, press the trigger, run the slide while holding the trigger, release the trigger ever so much, then press it again. Trigger is functioning fine. Last test, reinsert the magazine, pull back to make sure that last round hold open is functioning. Once again, this has been the CZ P-10F Comp Ready Field Strip. For more gun reviews, gear guides, and information on all things that go bang, head over to pewtactical.com. You can find links in the description below.